Hi everybody, Laura here, and normally I'm really excited to share with you guys some really great news, but unfortunately today I have not so good news. So I purchased another pre-loved bag and received it today, and I unboxed it, and unfortunately, the bag is not as described at all. As you can see here, there is a lot of major wear throughout the bag. This was described as in great condition, which to me it should just have some minor wear. However, this one's heavy wear throughout, and not only that, it had a funky, smoky type weird odor to it, which was not also listed. And I should have guessed that the bag was from a smokehouse or a smoker or just something weird, because there were fabric softeners inside the bag to hide the odor, which no, doesn't work. So, you know, just in no way am I trying to say don't buy pre-loved bags now. You always have to be careful. But the nice thing is I did purchase this from Poshmark. And this isn't Poshmark's fault, because they have individual people putting the items up to sell. This is, of course, the seller's fault, in essence, for not describing the bag accurately, which I think you should do. You shouldn't try to deceive people in selling something, because when they get it, they're going to know that it's not, right? So, thankfully, though, I mean, they do have a claims department that you could file a claim, which I have done one other time in the past with them. And ironically enough, it was another red bag. So I don't know what it is with red bags, but I filed a claim, sent the item back, and of course got a refund for it. So I'm not completely devastated about that. You know, however, I paid almost $250. You know, I mean, not that that's a ton, but it's still money to where you're like, hey, this is not, I wouldn't carry this bag. It's really, really worn. And I just really, I'm disappointed, because if they had said it was just in fair condition, I would have bought the other bag that was just a little bit more money. So on that note, but I will have to say that, I still do have good luck. In my own experience, I've had really good luck with the Real. So far, and again, this isn't sponsored, paid or anything, but I'm just saying, I have never had a bag from them that was not really accurately described, or smelly, or more, wear to it. So I still will purchase some items from the Poshmark. I do not purchase high-end luxury items from them. That's just me. That's just me. I prefer like Rebag or the Real, or some of the other resale sites. So, but I wanted to share that with you guys today, because I'm like, I was all excited to make, like, hey, here's another beautiful bag, and I was like, no, I'm gonna have to make a not so fun video. I mean, I'm not crying over it, but I just want you guys to know that, yeah, sometimes it happens. So now I will be returning it and looking for another red bag, I guess. So I just wanted to make this short and quick and share that with you guys. So, all right, well, I hope you enjoyed this unhappy unboxing. Well, not unboxing, this unhappy video. Okay, well, until next time, guys, I will make hopefully a happier videos, at least not disappointing videos. All right, and until next time, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.